Normalization is a design technique that is widely used as a guide in designing relation database. The purpose of normalization is to show the relations between attributes. Normalization is important as we can minimize the number of attributes used. We could also reduce any redundancy of data through normalization. Lastly, we could easily find attributes with a close relationship.
We did our ERD for SMPWeb last time. After rearranging our ERD, we have our new ERD where student registers program and program offers courses. By using validation technique, we will use normalization to verify our current ERD.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aiman. I will explain the anomaly form. Anomaly form is a simple database model lacking the efficiency of database normalization. It contains real data taken from its source that has been grouped into each attribute. In our case, we have 13 attributes. First, metric number. Put a specific metric number for each student. Second, student name. Hold the student name. Third, gender. Hold the student gender. Fourth, credit balance. Hold the balance of credit the student on left. Fifth, program name. Hold the name of the program. Sixth, duration. Hold the duration to complete for each program. 7. Mood. Hold the student choice to study the program. 8. Credit to pass. Hold the credit need to pass the program. 9. Course code. Hold a specific code for each course. 10. Course title. Hold the title for the course. 11. Credit hour. Hold credit for each course. 12. Set. Hold set taken by each student for the course. And lastly, session. Hold the session taken by each student for the course. That is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Arfan and I will be explaining the functional dependencies. Functional dependencies is a process that shows the relationship between attributes in a database. First, we need to find the primary key. It is a unique attribute that will determine another attribute. There are even some attributes that need more than one primary key to determine them. The primary key will be metric number, program name, and course code. First, metric number determines student name, gender, and credit balance. Second, program name determines duration, mood, and credit to pass. Third, course code determines course title and credit hour. Next, metric number and program name determines mood. Next, metric number, program name, and course code determines set and session. Lastly, credit hour and credit to pass determine credit balance. Functional dependencies 1 to functional dependencies 4 are partial functional dependencies because their attribute need at least one of the primary key to determine them. Functional dependencies 5 is a fully functional dependencies because it needs all of the primary key to determine them. And finally, functional dependency 6 is a transitive functional dependencies because a non-key attribute determines another attribute. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aifa Atirah binti Muhammad Azmi and I will be explaining the first normalized form. First normalized form is often achieved by flattening the table of U and F. Each column must contain one value only. An attribute of a table cannot hold multiple values. Next, each column must have its own unique name. Lastly, do not mix or switch places with the data and its attributes. In our case, course code, course title, credit hour, set, and session need to be flattened the table as they contain repeating values. The table should be like this after the process of the first normalized form. That will be all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hafiza and I will be explaining about the second normal form. From the first normal form, we can identify the primary key and the relation. Therefore, for second normal form, we need to remove the partial dependencies into another table. We will obtain 5 tables from this process. Student table, program table, Course table, mode table are all partial dependencies. We could refer them from the list of functional dependencies previously and move them into another table, while set initialization table have a full dependency relation. The overview will look like this, and with that I thank you.